us know the main tools and accessories used in fabrication welding. They are the bench vise, welding cable, earthing cable, welding holder, welding helmet, welding regulator, chipping hammer, chisel, wire brush, hacksaw blade, hand gloves, grinding or cutting machines, grinding or cutting wheels, leg guard. This is bench vise, which is commonly used in workshops. Vises are used for holding workpieces. They are available in different types. A bench vise is made of cast iron or cast steel. It is used to hold work while preparing the edges of sheets plates and pipes by chiseling, hacksawing and filing. The welding cable's end is always connected to the welding holder. This holder is used to hold the electrode in its jaws. It is made up of copper or copper alloys which have very high electrical conductivity. Now, in order to feed the electrode, a holder is a must. A major portion of the holder is made up of wood. This wood is an insulating material. If there is any electric leakage, it may save the welder from electrical shock. Earth cable is another important cable. It is an important connection for welding. This is an important equipment connected to the welding machine. This is called welding regulator. The welder has got graduations from 60 amperes, 80 amperes, 100 amperes and so on. During the course of welding, the regulator is used to control both the current and voltage. This regulator is important to do the different positions of welding. Welder helmet is a safety and a protective equipment used by the welder during welding. This has two components, the white glass and black glass. A white glass is basically used to protect the black glass from spatters during the welding. And the black glass prevents the ultraviolet rays that emit during welding and protects the eyes of the welder from being injured. This is a GQ4 grinding machine. We use this machine to remove the slag that is coming from welding. We have to remove the slag continuously. For this purpose, we use a 4-inch grinding wheel. AG5 machine is used for cutting. Cutting wheel machine is a heavy-duty machine. We use this machine for cutting mostly very high abrasive tools. These are all some of the wheels and discs that we use in this machine. So, this is a typical grinding tool. The grinding wheels are made up of abrasives. This is a cut-off wheel used and grinding wheel for cutting purpose. This is a grinding wheel and both are 7-inch in diameter. The selection of the equipment depends on what you want to cut. Depending on the thickness, the RPM, the power in watts and so on, you can save time while cutting the huge amount of metal using the appropriate equipment. This is a grinder helmet used for protecting the eyes of wheels. A grinder will always use this helmet so that the metal particles do not get into the welder's eyes. The chisel is used for chipping operation for removing excess metal. Chipping hammer is used for removing the patters and also to clean the interpasses of the welded layer. This is a metallic brush. We have to clean the weld bead with this wire metallic brush. It cleans the welded surface from layer to layer.